Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software that offers AI-powered features such as Auto Reframe, which uses AI to automatically reformat videos for different aspect ratios. Davinci Resolve. Davinci Resolve is a powerful video editing software that includes features for color correction, audio post-production, and visual effects. It offers AI-driven features for noise reduction and facial recognition. Topaz Video Enhance AI. Topaz Video Enhance AI is designed to upscale and enhance the quality of videos using artificial intelligence. It can improve the resolution and reduce noise in videos. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is an AI-powered video creation tool that converts text content into engaging video presentations. It's suitable for creating videos for social media and marketing. Runway ML. Runway ML is a creative toolkit that allows you to use AI models for various creative purposes, including video generation, style transfer, and more. Video Bolt. Video Bolt offers customizable video templates and an AI-driven video maker for creating videos for social media, marketing, and other purposes. Art Breeder. While primarily an image manipulation tool, Art Breeder can be used to create AI-generated art and animations, which can be exported as videos. HitFilm Express. HitFilm Express is a free video editing and visual effects software that includes AI-driven features for compositing, tracking, and other advanced editing tasks. Video PROC. Video PROC is a video processing software that offers AI-powered features for video stabilization, noise reduction, and format conversion. Vidnami, formerly Content Samurai. Vidnami is an online video creation tool that uses AI to convert text content into video presentations. Cyberlink Power Director. Cyberlink Power Director is a video editing software that includes AI-driven features for motion tracking, stabilization, and color correction. Wondershare Filmora. Wondershare Filmora is a user-friendly video editing software that incorporates AI features for video stabilization and color correction.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel lin.pk and hit the bell icon for new video notifications. Thanks.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, अगर आप भी चाहते हैं सीखना एक्सेल, वर्ड, पावर पॉइंट, वीडियो एडिटिंग, कार्टून बनाना तो फ़ौरन learn.pk पे जाएं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो देखें।